Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing knocktalks.com. So as you can see, we have it here on Trustpilot. So if you don't know what knocktalks is, it is basically a cryptocurrency service. As you can see, it is related to crypto. And as you can guess, sites like these are in more ways a scam than legit. So let's head on over here to see the reviews. So as you can see, this person said, hi, I'm Rohit, just said 5 stars. This one also, basically these are bots or paid people who are giving 5 stars to inflate the reviews right here on Trustpilot. So we won't count these. Bad site, not working. So I don't know why he rated it 4 star. That is super. This is also not considered since it doesn't say anything. It's a scam. It's a scam. Platform, be alert. So please just buy the reviews from Trustpilot themselves. These are the website seems to be a scam since there are bots commenting 5 stars to inflate the reviews here on knocktalks, which is not a good sign. So please refrain from using the service or this cryptocurrency website since you might get scammed. However, if you do plan on using it, if you really want to use it, you should do some research before using it yourself. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.